So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn a very simple thing of how to turn on and turn off Ortho in AutoCAD. So first of all, what is Ortho is that the command that keeps the line straight at 90 degree. Right now you can see me drafting random lines which are not straight, which are in random angles, but you want is a line that are straight. For that you just need to turn on the ortho. For that there is two options. First, you can go down right here in the right corner and turn on this ortho mode F8, and then your all lines will be 90 degree, and for this the shortcut is F8. Yes guys, if you don't remember, then I'm just writing here F8. F8 is the shortcut for turning on slash off ortho mode in AutoCAD. So for now, this is it, and share it with someone who may need it.